Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can add a resume to Google Sites. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, go to sites.google.com and log in to your Google account. Once inside on the main dashboard, click on a blank site to start a new one, or you can work on the recent sites wherever you want to add your resume on. I'm going to choose this site for this video. So how can we add a resume on this site? First, we're going to go to another tab and open our Google Drive. We need to make sure that our resume is already uploaded in our Google Drive. For this video, however, I am using a sample I got from the internet. This is not my actual resume. Now, once you're sure that your resume is already uploaded in your Google Drive, go back to Google Sites and click on Drive. From here, we're going to click on your resume that you just uploaded and then click on Insert. Now, we're going to see this pop-up window right after you insert your resume. So, make sure that it is on Viewer and then click on Share to allow all viewers to see your resume. After that, you can resize this resume so it can be better viewed on your site. And as simple as that, you already uploaded your resume on Google Sites. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!